Okay guys, so today the field trip day for Charles and friends. So P1 yellow, so all the kids going out now guys. Okay guys, so now P1 reds already coming out. Look, yep. Alright, so they're the last. They're coming out from the school. So they're queued now guys. Alright. Let's see where's Charlotte guys. Alright, they're moving out down guys. P1 red! Hey. Hey, enjoy guys! Enjoy! Enjoy! My darling! My darling! I will throw this Charlotte guys. And hi you, there's Charlotte and hi you. Alright. Hi! Come on, come on. Hi, how are you? I see you. Okay. Oh! Mommy's going to work. You leaving, mommy? Yeah. Love you. Bye. Come on, darling. Huh? Mind the step, guys. Mind the step.
Yuk, lihat jalannya. Eca, yuk, dilihat jalannya. Oke, slow.
Come on. Guys, all the bears are here. Right, so we're looking for Charles bus. Just go to here, darling. What are you? Yep, that's your bus, guys. Ayo. Go. Ini. Bisa. I love you, darling. Sorry. Ada sana. Okay. I don't know which side, guys. Guys, this is the inside, guys, but I cannot find Charlotte. My darling. My darling. No answer. I think I just try to find from outside, guys. So this is Charlotte's bus, guys. So Charlotte's already inside. So look, all the parents here, guys. They're busy taking pictures and sending off their kids. So there are 4 buses, B bus, guys. So Charlotte's bus is bus number 1. So time now is 8 to 7. So actually they have to depart by 6:45. I think there is a bit delay, guys. They are about to leave now, guys. Okay, bus number 3 is leaving, guys. Wow. guys. Bus number 2. Lucu ya Pak ya? Bus number 2. Why there's the telolet. Wah, the driver start playing telolet. Telolet.
Nggak ada dia.
Telolet dong.
Mana dia?
Okay, this is Charles Bus guys. Bus number 1. Bus number 1, Charles Bus. Oh, where's Charlotte? I cannot find her. My darling! There's Charlotte! Hi, darling! Hi, darling! There's Charlotte, guys! Yay! I love you, darling! I love you! That's Charlotte, guys! Yay! Okay guys, the bus is leaving. There's Charlotte's bus. Bus number 1. Alright. So one more bus left there. Bus number... I don't know what number there. But still there guys. Not leaving yet. I don't know why. Let's see guys. Bus number 4 guys. Okay guys, so there's one bus left, bus number 4. So by Charles already was number 1 already leaving guys. So alright guys, so there's a field trip. After this, there's another video when they're coming back from the field trip, the Aviary Park in Bintaro. Alright, see you guys. Bye.